Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you a really useful feature of this Sony headset here. Model number is this one. Pretend now you're on a plane or a train and there's an announcement happening. You want to be able to hear that, but you don't want to take your headset off. All you have to do is cup the right earpiece here, and then it will lower your music right down and you'll fully be able to hear the announcement. So it turns the noise cancellation off so you can hear the announcement. But as soon as you uncup again, everything is back to normal with your noise cancelling and you'll be able to hear everything through here. And it's really quick and it's really sensitive as well. So I'm going to press play on this now. You will be able to hear the music coming through, and then when I cup it, there will be a little beep and then it will lower the music right down and you will be able to hear the announcement. Obviously not on this video, but in real life. Let me show you. So I'm pressing play. Check this out. Yeah, a little beep. And as long as my hand remains on that, I will be able to hear the announcement. Yet we're still playing down here. And now take it off and straight away, the music will build back up again. Again, look how quick it is. As soon as we do that. So as soon as you hear that there's an announcement, all you've got to quickly do is do that. And then you'll be able to hear that announcement without taking these off your ears. So it's a really nice little feature. Super quick as well. There you go. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.